Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today's video is brought to you guys by BenQ, and we're taking a look at their ScreenBar Plus e-reading lamp. What this allows you to do is have a full-on precision, glare-free lighting for your monitor, or actually your entire desk, because what this allows you to do is take your lamp, or of course the BenQ ScreenBar, and place it directly onto your monitor itself. This way you save a lot of space and you don't have to deal with any other extra lamps. Then comes phase 2. How do you power this thing? Well, you don't actually have to plug it into an outlet, so you can kind of bring it wherever. All you have to do is plug it directly into your computer's USB slot, which makes life convenient as well. So you're saving space, and on top of that, powering it is super simple. So what exactly does it do though? Basically, it comes in at 8 different color temperatures ranging from 2700 Kelvin all the way to 6500 Kelvin. And basically, it can automatically adjust those along with the brightness of the lamp itself to prevent strain on your eyes as you're maybe reading on your computer, maybe browsing the web, watching YouTube videos, and you can actually tweak this manually as well. It goes up to 1000 lux, and you can change between 8 different color temperatures. So if you want it to be a super harsh white, you can do that, and you can also make it be a super yellowish yellow. So it ranges from whatever you're feeling. Then let's say you're in a really bright room and you don't want the lamp to distract others, or maybe it's a really dark room actually and you don't want the lamp to distract others. Well, you can actually take it and put the brightness up to 14 levels downwards or upwards depending on what you want, which is really crazy as well. Then of course this thing also fits the ANSI guidelines for, being able to replenish your energy with light, and on top of that you're able to go and mess with all the different color temperatures that fit the ANSI standard as well. Lastly, I think my favorite thing about this is that you would think that this monitor would distract others, or you'd be able to see the light glare off your screen, or the light would just be very harsh and not flat on your desk. Not the case. This lamp is designed so well that it basically lights up the desk, and then the light is kind of not there. Aside from your desk and the things that you want to light up, you can actually adjust this so it lights up everything you want it to light up, and then it doesn't bleed or show off in any other regard. So if you want this to be a desk lamp and your kid is sleeping in the background, you're pretty much good in terms of that as well. So it's highly customizable. The design looks absolutely awesome, especially on these dual Apple monitors that we're testing it on, and on top of that, it is super easy to set up. You literally just have the dial on your left hand and you can constantly keep adjusting it. Everything feels super premium. The dial literally feels like it was designed, with like top grade aluminum, and of course the lamp itself looks super sleek. And all in all, guys, I have to say, one of my favorite things on my desk, and I have full plans on keeping it. It's a cool addition to the setup, and I think it would be a cool addition to your setup as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.